Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hello and welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. I would like to show you my sketchbook, my travel sketchbook, because I actually just came back from vacation. I was in the US for 2 weeks. It was a fantastic 2 week trip, and we did kind of a road trip there, staying in places for a few days and then going to the next place. And I filled the whole sketchbook. I'm quite surprised by myself actually, but I did. And I want to share what I did. As you can see, I also collected a lot of stickers, which I really like. You know, everywhere you go, you can find stickers, and they can be really awesome souvenirs, and they tell you which state you've been to, and just reminders to yourself. Yeah, so I love that. Just seeing the cover of my sketchbook makes me smile, and it gives me a really great memory. So, just a tip for traveling, because a lot of people ask about it. Like, how do you deal with travel buddies? Do you, do you claim drawing time, or how do you do it? What I do is I try to find those gaps in the day, even if you have like a very full schedule of traveling, there's always moments that you can draw. There's always flexibility as well. So one of the things that are really important is to explain to your travel companions, your family, your husband, your wife, your kids, whoever you are traveling with, your friends, explain to them why drawing during the trip is so important to you. Because if you explain, then they will understand and they will give you time. Because when drawing makes you happy, you will be a more fun person to be around. So if you need an hour to draw, they can do whatever they want to do. You might miss out on one of the activities of the trip, but then again, you have your own activity, which is drawing, which will make you happy, and then it's fine to miss out on one of those things. And also, there will be a lot of opportunities to sit down and draw while having lunch, while, taking a break. There's always time to do drawing. Sometimes it may mean that you cannot finish your drawing or you cannot color your drawing, but you can always get back to it and do that, at night before going to bed, or when you are back home. Even it might be actually an extra fun addition of recalling all those memories, working on your drawings again. A lot of people have been asking about how do you do a flip through of your sketchbook with your phone. So if you're not a professional filmer or anything, how can you do a flip through to share it on social media? Well, you use a phone, and what I usually also have, usually actually, I just hold my phone and then play, put, push, push, push record, the record button, and then start flipping through my sketchbook, which is a little bit awkward because you will be moving and you have to flip through with one hand, which is not really handy, but you can do it. You can also get one of these tripods, which actually fit, you know, your phone will fit in it, and you can hang that or attach that to anything. So let me see if I can show you how you can do this with just the stuff that you have around. Here we go. Look, I've got this very handy thing. Hang on, because I want to. So I have this lamp. It's just like a desk lamp. You see it? Just a simple desk lamp from IKEA, actually, and then you can attach your. This is takes a little bit of fiddling, so have fun looking at me fiddling and trying to be smart and then failing, of course. So you can attach that to the lamp like so, because you can bend the tripod all the way and then aim it. There you go. All you need to do now is open your camera and hit play or hit record, and then you can do your flip through hands-free. So much better. So that's my little tip for you. I hope that actually works for you too. Maybe you can find one of those tripods, or you can duct tape your camera if you like. You can, use a lot of different ways. You just need to be a little bit resourceful. Be sure that you do this during the daytime, so you have good lighting. That's very important. Don't stand in the light so you cast a shadow over your sketchbook. Make sure that it's well lit. If you do this in the evening, even if you have a great lamp to, light it, I don't know if that's a word even, then the quality of the video won't be that great. So best do it during daytime, not in the direct sunlight, because it will cast a lot of shadows. Just simple daylight that falls, through the windows. That should be fine. If you do a flip through of your sketchbook or make any art that is related to Draw Tip Tuesday, then share it on social media with the hashtag DTT in action. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss out on any Draw Tip Tuesdays, then sign up for the newsletter that tells you every week how to find and where to find the new tip that I'm sharing every Tuesday. Okay, thank you so much for bearing with me in this kind of chaotic Draw Tip Tuesday, as said. I enjoyed hanging out with you. I'm happy to be back from vacation, and I will see you next week. Bye.